day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Quick Math Tutorial. Today, we are going to learn about the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle in standard form we have the square of x minus h plus the square of y minus k is equal to r squared, where h and k is the center of the circle and r is the radius. For this session, we will just find the center and the radius of a circle given its standard form. Now, for our first example, we have the square of x minus 2 plus the square of y minus 7 is equal to 36. Or we can express 36 as 6 squared. Just get the square root of 36, we have 6, and put a square. Now to find the center and the radius, for the center, we will just get the opposite signs of the h and k. So we have here our h, which is equal to negative 2, so we will have positive 2. And our k here, since it is negative 7, we will have positive 7. And for our radius, we have 6. If we will graph this equation of a circle, we have here the center, we have positive 2 and positive 7. And the radius is equal to 6. We have here from the center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thus, the radius is equal to 6. For our second example, we have the square of x plus 5 plus the square of y minus 3 is equal to 144. Or we can express 144 as 12 squared, because the square root of 144 is equal to 12, then put a square here. And for the center and the radius, again, just get the opposite signs of the h and k. For our h, since it is positive 5, so we will have negative 5. And for our k, since it is negative 3, so we will have positive 3. And for our radius, we have positive 12. And for the graph of this equation, we have here the center, we have negative 5 and positive 3. And for our radius, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thus, the radius is equal to 12. And for our last example, we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 16. Or we can express x squared as x minus 0 squared, because x minus 0 is just equal to x, and y squared as y minus 0 squared, and 16 as 4 squared. Now for our center, our h here is equal to 0, our k here is equal to 0, and the radius is equal to 4. Now for the graph of this equation, we have here the center is 0, 0, and the radius is 4. To sum it up, do not forget the equation of a circle in standard form. We have the square of x minus h plus the square of y minus k, which is equal to r squared. And that ends our quick math tutorial. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you have questions, just leave a comment below. And to be notified on my next videos, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.